Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you about how you can create websites like this. Websites like Busy Remove, okay, uh, busyremove.com, where you can create your own website in few lines of code, deploy it to the production, and earn some money. So yeah, you can. I'm going to teach you how you can create a website like this, where user will drop a image, something like this, and a background will be automatically removed. For this, I'm going to use uh, pre-trained models in Python and React for the front end, and I'm going to also teach you the step-by-step guides how you can learn from it. And yeah, stay tuned till the end. And in the end, I will also uh, have a surprise for you. Thanks. Yeah, let's begin. So first of all, I am already in. I have created a. I have also already in the VS Code, and let's create two folders. One for the backend, one for the front end. Okay, and let's start from the front end because I see problem from the beginning, and then we will go till the end. So check out of the front end, create and install basic React application. Not going to use TypeScript. I'm already only going to use JavaScript for this because having TypeScript can make this video longer. So yeah, that's all I need to do. Let's wait for the installation, and then before until this is going to install, let's see what package I'm going to use. I'm going to use the main package for uh, our application is RamBusy. RamBusy is a package in Python that has pre-trained model, state-of-the-art model that help it to run help it to run the help it to process the image and identify the background and remove it and replace it with a transparent image. So you can see here you can also use CLI option as well. Like then you can there are it has its own standalone server that you can also provide, but I'm not going to use this server. I'm going to write my own server. Okay, and mm, yeah, then I'm going to write some function logic for this, and yeah, we are going to use Flask and as well for the routing. Well, I think it's already been installed. This is what I hate. Like installing React application can take a longer time. What I will prefer is to just run a command. It will fetch the updated files from the Git repository, download it, and that's all. It should be done. No need to install multiple packages. Do this, do this. I just want simple things. But yeah, CLI is the best thing to do. Let's begin. So let's check out this out. Okay. Yeah, let's check this out. Let's open it. I'm going to remove all the extra code that is here. In the app.js, I don't need anything. For the styling, I'm going to use TypeScript. I'm going to use Bootstrap. Sorry, I'm very much big fan of Bootstrap. I'm not very big fan of Tailwind and Bulma and all. I'm very backend heavy guy. So, and for this tutorial, using simple libraries makes sense too. Yeah, let's install Bootstrap as well. npm. Okay. After installing the Bootstrap, we need to import the Bootstrap CSS. We only need CSS. So this is the CSS that I have installed. Then what we need to do, then we run the server and design our library, design our UI. So npm. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Yeah. Mm, And until the server is starting, let's design a library. So for the yeah, container library last name no six. Okay, and here we are going to select the image. Okay, and here we are going to show the image. To select the image, I'm not going to write my own code. I'm also going to install another package called React drag drop files. React drag drop files. Okay. This has the pre-built design that I need, and I can just use that. Let's import this. Okay. We also need to define what are the file types that we are going to support. For now, this package only supports few image file types like JPG, PNG, and JPEG. I think JPG and JPEG are both same, but I don't have any idea. What do you think? Comment me in the comments uh, below this video. Let me know. Okay, then I am going to also, this is the file. We need to define a function to manage the changes. To manage the changes, I am going to create const handle change. That's all we need to do. Then after this, we need to check some things like uh, if file dot. No, there is no file. Then what we need to do? Okay. So we are not going to define multiple files. We are only going to do like one file at a time. So yeah. Uh, so new error, no file settled. Then what we need to do? We need to create few states, like states like uh, we, then we need to read this file first of all. Okay, so new. Then after reading the files, we need to const file selected file. That, okay. Wrench dot target dot result. Okay. Dot read URL from witness URL. Okay. Then we can show this image as well. We can say that selected files width equals to 600, height equals to 200. Let's see this in an action. I think this should one, two, three. Yeah. Let's select a file. Wow. Then what we need to do is we need to jump on the server side. Okay. Now we are going to jump on the server side. So to jump on the server side, we need to do a few things first. We need to install few libraries, pip class. Make sure that has been installed. I have already installed, so no need to do that. Then I'm going to do the rambusd. Then it's also going to install. These are the two packages that we need to install. Make sure you have installed it, and let's jump on to the main.py file. We need to import the uh, important packages. first. We need to go into import the all the required packages, then define the app class if app dot run debug pro. That's all we need to do. Then we need to define a route. App dot route, and this route is going to be with API load first, and yeah, then we need to do basic logic here. After doing the logic, we are checking the file. There's no files, then remember it. Then go to the first index and find the first file. If and then we are saying that this has file name. If not, then throw an error. Yeah, let's jump on to the main part. After main part, we need to import all the required dependencies, and yeah, first of all, file contents. We can read the stream, then output remove file content post process mask. Then image.io, convert this to png, then save it. Png image.io dot six zero, and then return the image and send file uh, mime type image png, and download name equals to Zenwalk png. That's all we need to do. Let's check if it's running or not, if it has an error or not. It should be started. Yeah, It has been started. Nice. So move to the front end. In the front end, we are going to follow a very nice security some rule. It is always use proxy. So we are going to use proxy by default. Uh, Create React app gives us the proxy behavior by default. So we just need to define the backend, and then all the fallback routes will be land on this proxy. So yeah, uh, 127.0.1 5000. After loading it, we can convert it to. We can go to the app.js and write the upload logic as well. Uh, we need to write that upload logic because we move to the backend. Okay, so for now we need to define perform data form dot append file, and then file dot file dot name. I think it was no, it was file, and that file dot name. And now we need to submit this file to the backend. To do this, fetch API load method post body form. We need to read the blob const and blob returns promise, and we need to also do a sync here. Then we need to convert this to uh, read object URL. So to blob to object URL. So obj URL. Then convert it. Then get this object blob. And yeah, and here we are. And now we need to also remove that remote. Also, I like to have some kind of loader as well. So let's create loader. Okay. Let's say converting files. Now we are done. And then if there is no loader, and there is remove image, let's show the image. Remove image, width 600, height, and alt will be remove image. Why it is showing me an error? Because selected alt is already announced. Okay, let's try this. Let's see where we are having an issue. We are having an issue in the backend. The backend is load is not working. It's saying that 404 not found. Let's start it again. I think I forgot to restart the server after setting the proxy. Yeah, now it's done. It is uploading files to binary, and wait for 2 seconds. It is slow on my machine because I'm using CPU power. If it's the GPU, then it will be much better speed. Yeah, you can see there. Let's design it a little bit further. Width, height. Uh, let's select a better image. What you say? And one, two, three. One, two, three. One, two. It should be working fine. Yeah, now you can see here. Three. In less than few minutes, few like less than 14 to 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. I don't know what time will we spend into it. But yeah, we created a server, we created front end logic to do the same thing what this whole thing can do. And we can just replicate it and push it to production and make and push it to behind serverless architecture and have some money with some kind of ad revenue or create a SaaS application. In the next segment, if I get even likes and comments uh, or any kind of feedback, valuable feedback, I would love to hear that. If you see my, if you want to know how to deploy it into the cloud behind Lambda or Docker, I can also create a video for that. But yeah, let me know what do you think and where are you at in the comments down below. Thanks. Bye. See you in the next video.